Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix sound or audio issues in Warhammer Vermintide 2 game. So without wasting any time, let's jump to the fixes. First fix, steps to fix sound problem in Warhammer Vermintide 2. So go to Windows settings. On the left, click on System, then click on Sound. Scroll down, then click on More Sound Settings. Then select your default device, for example speakers, and then select Properties. Then go to the Spatial Sound tab, and from here select Off, and then click Apply, OK, and then go ahead, launch the game and check if sound or audio is fixed or not. If not, then from the Spatial Sound tab, here select Windows Sonics for headphones instead, and then hit Apply, OK, and then launch the game and check if a problem is fixed or not. This fix has solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. Fix 2, makes your sound levels in game is set to 100%. So look for audio settings within the Warhammer Vermintide 2 game menu and make sure that the volume and other audio settings are correctly configured. Make sure the volume bars are set to 100%. Additionally, if you are using headphones, then you may like to try using speakers and see if that helps or not. Fix 3, step to fix sound or audio problem in Warhammer Vermintide 2 game if you are using a Bluetooth headphones. So right click the Bluetooth icon in the system tray, select Show Bluetooth devices, scroll to the bottom and then select More devices and printer settings. Right click your headphones and select Properties. Now go to the Services tab and check hands-free telephony, remote control and remotely controllable device. Click Apply and then check if it fixes your problem or not. Fix 4, set default sound device. Click on the sound icon in the system tray and make sure your system volume is set to 100%. Then select your audio device above your system volume. Then select the sound device you are using for the game. After the sound device is selected, just restart the game and then check if your problem is solved or not. And the last solution is to disconnect additional peripheral devices. Your sound settings can be altered by the additional peripherals. So disconnect any peripheral devices that are not important, such as USB devices, camera, phone, additional controller, mouse, keyboard, etc. and then check. So by following these fixes, you can easily fix sound or audio issues in Warhammer Vermintide 2 game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.